One of the most powerful features within Auto Importer is its ability to set dates on audio. So for example, audio importing, we can set an end date so it doesn't play past a certain time. This can be really useful for news bulletins. There's also features in here such as email alerts, dayparting, and also adding audio to rotators as well. So let's go and see how we do all of this. We're going to go and edit this job here, and we're going to go to the Dates and Daypart tab. So in here, we have options for setting the start date and the end date. So if audio coming in here, you want to maybe not play it until tomorrow, or you may want to set it to a specific date, you can do that. You can also set an offset as well. So if audio imports today and you want to perhaps say, set a start date for the next hour, the next minute, you can do that in here using these options. Very, very similar to start dates. You've got the same features on the end date section here. Very, very useful for news bulletins coming in. We can set a offset so that a news bulletin that's imported, if it's not updated after 3 hours, it does not play. Very, very useful indeed. The little option below, use start and end dates within file. If a file has end dates embedded within it and you want those to be activated, tick that box there and they will be used. Now let's look at dayparting, because dayparting is also very, very powerful as well. You can choose to enable a daypart. So any audio coming through this audio import here will be set with the designated daypart. If this import job is for morning show only, we can block out all the other hours. So any audio coming through here can only be played in the morning show. Great for production, great for other bits and pieces as well. Moving on to the Alerts tab, this is where we can send emails should a job fail, should it be successful, or if a job has not run after a certain time. If I set 10 minutes in this box here and I tick the box, if this job has not run within 10 minutes, it's going to email me to tell me it's gone idle. That may mean something further up the chain is not working because the auto importer has not seen any new audio. So we're now going to go to the Options tab, and here is where we can set a couple of neat little features. The first is exclusions. So here is how you can tell Auto Importer, yes, I'm looking at a folder full of audio, but I don't want you to import some of it. So we can exclude files beginning with the word news. We can exclude files smaller than a certain size, exclude files where the file name length matches one of the criteria here. So longer than 10 characters, less than 7 characters. We can also exclude files with extensions. So if we've got a bunch of files and we want to exclude MP3s and M4As, we can do that using this box in here. So very, very useful to filter out audio you don't want to import. Final box below is the rotate cart section. If you use rotate carts, very, very useful. You can have new audio coming in via this auto import job to go into a rotator. So you can choose to add it to the top or the bottom of the selected rotator. Similarly, you can also have audio removed from a rotate cart as well. So that's how the rotate option works.